Welcome to our coffee tutorial. Today, we embark on a delightful journey into the world of homemade coffee. Whether you're a fan of the classic brew or curious about exciting variations like cold coffee, Dalgona coffee, and mocha, we've got you covered. This video is all about inspiring you to create delicious coffee right in your own kitchen. From the aromatic warmth of a classic cup to the frothy fun of Dalgona, you'll discover how simple and satisfying homemade coffee can be. So grab your ingredients and let's dive into this caffeinated adventure together. Ready to make some magic? Let's get started. All right, coffee enthusiasts, let's dive into the heart of our homemade coffee adventure. First things first, gather your essentials: water, coffee powder, milk, and sugar. These simple ingredients are the foundation of our classic coffee journey. Start by boiling 1 cup of water until it simmers gently. Then add the coffee powder and let the rich aroma fill your kitchen. Now, tailor this brew to your taste. If you prefer sweetness, add sugar or your favorite sweetener. For a creamy touch, pour in some warm milk for a richer flavor. But we're not stopping there. For a fun twist, use a hand frother or a closed jar to froth your coffee and create that delightful foam topping. With each step, feel the satisfaction of crafting a perfect cup tailored just for you. This is the beauty of making coffee at home: personalization and savoring each sip. Whether you're enjoying it alone or sharing it with friends, this classic homemade coffee is sure to bring warmth and joy. This is just the beginning. In the next segment, we'll explore exciting variations like cold coffee, Dalgona, and mocha. Stay tuned and get ready to elevate your coffee-making skills to the next level. Let's continue our journey into the world of homemade coffee magic. Now, let's get creative with our coffee. First up, we're diving into the world of cold coffee, a refreshing twist perfect for warm days. Blend together coffee, milk, a handful of ice cubes, and a touch of sugar. Watch as it transforms into a cool, creamy delight. Next, let's try the trendy Dalgona coffee. Whip together equal parts coffee, sugar, and hot water until light and fluffy. Spoon it over a glass of milk for a visually stunning treat, like having your own coffee art at home. For chocolate lovers, add a mocha twist. Sprinkle a teaspoon of cocoa powder into your Dalgona mix or cold coffee for a homemade mocha sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. Each variation is not just about taste, but also the fun of experimenting in your kitchen. Play around with these recipes, adding your personal touch along the way. Who knew making coffee at home could be this exciting? Now equipped with these creative coffee variations, you're ready to impress your friends or treat yourself to something special. Stay tuned as we wrap up this coffee journey and inspire you to explore even more possibilities in the next segment. As we wrap up our coffee journey, let's recap. You've mastered the art of classic coffee and explored exciting variations like cold coffee, Dalgona, and mocha. Now, it's your turn to unleash creativity in your kitchen. Experiment with flavors, tweak the sweetness, or add a personal twist to make each cup uniquely yours. We invite you to share your coffee creations with us. Let's inspire each other and celebrate the joy of homemade coffee together. Remember, the best coffee is the one you make your own. Thank you for joining us in this caffeinated adventure, and happy brewing.